Hi, this is Mt5. I want to show you guys how you can place your first trade on Mt5. There's an update on Mt5 now, which is very risky, and it's just one click button, and it's very risk for you as a beginner. If you have to update your Mt5, it's very risky. So I want to show you guys how you can use it carefully without using any single trade, guys. Now this is a short video. I don't want the video to be much long, so let's dive into it. So we'll come to your chart. Let's say you want to place a trade on like this 75 just click on, let's say you want to place a trade now. You can see this is what I'm showing you guys is very risky. You can see when I click on buy, it automatically open the trade for me. It automatically open to trade for me without asking me anything. So it's very risky. It's very risky. So make sure you stay tuned with me. I'm going to teach you everything now. Let's say you want to set your lot size. You can see this is a lot size button. So this button right here is how you can increase your lot size, and this is how you can decrease your lot size. And let's say I want to use about 0.1 now. Let's say I want to use 0.1 now. I'll click on here. So I can write it right there. I can write it 0.1 or 0.1, or I might do it this way by just click on this button right here, on this button. Click on the button right here. Then after clicking on it, then I can click on +1. Let's say I want to use you can see. So it's automatically changing it for me. Let's say I want to use one lot size. Then you can see this is one lot size. It's very risky. You can see it has list all the lot size you can use your lights here. The more you increase it, the more it will be changing this for you. You can see it will be changing everything for you. Now let's say I want to decrease it. Now I can just decrease it by this one. You can see it has been decreasing, or I might just decreasing with this or with this. You can see if I want to increase it, I come here and I increase it. That's how you guys can use it. And let's use one lot size. So we click on set, it automatically set the market. We click on buy, it automatically buy the market. So that is it, guys. That's how you can use it. Make sure you are very careful. So the most safe one you can be using is just come to the base one to order. Just click on new order, then it will list it like this for you. Then you set your stop your lot size and set your stop loss and take profit. You can see this one don't have any stop loss and excel, just buy and sell. But if you want to set it up, if you buy, then you go to your chart, then you will set everything up right here by clicking on modify. But hold the trade, then you click on modify, then set it up. That's how you guys can use it. So make sure you this new channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm just going the channel up and just going this. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and so comment and turn on notification. So let's go this channel together. The aim of this channel is to help everyone become a millionaire with this boom and crash indices and the volatility 75 index. All these pairs on derive. This aim of this channel is to let everyone become successful. So make sure you subscribe, and also turn on push notifications, so anytime I post a new video, you will surely be updated. Bye.